On this video today, I'm going to show you the quickest way that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, and the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join CPA Lead, you can join Max Bounty, you can join CPA Build. But in this case, we are going to be using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so you can search for it and then create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down and then click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to click on My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer that you can promote. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote, but you have to promote all these offers to people who live in the United Kingdom. CPA offers, they are geo-specific, so you must select a country where you have a traffic source, because all the offers on this platform are not allowed to be promoted to anywhere in the world. They are allowed to be promoted to a specific country. So what you have to do is that you have to look for the country where you have a traffic source. In this case, we are going to be promoting an offer in Canada. So you are going to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can search for Canada or any country that you have a traffic source. As I scroll upwards, you can see many countries that you can click on and then find offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are searching for Canada, so you can type Canada here, type Canada. Once you type Canada, you can see it right here, click on it. Once you search for Canada, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people who live in Canada. You can see a whole lot of different offers. The first offer, if you promote it and then get people to sign up with their email and zip code, you are going to be paid 90 cents. The second offer, if you get people who live in Canada to click on your link and then enter their PIN code to get access to a back to school gift card, you are going to be paid $12.83. They don't need to buy anything. All that they have to do is that you have to enter the required information and you are going to be paid. You can see the third one is the same offer, but the difference is that the second one is allowed on Android and the third one is allowed on desktop. As I scroll down, you can see the same offer here. It is allowed on Apple iOS. So any of them that you want, you can promote it. You can see a whole lot of different offers. So once the offer is allowed on all these three operating systems, when we promote it, anytime people click on it, they are qualified to enter their details for us to make money. So now once you have found the offer, the next step is that you are going to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. So just click on the offer that you want. Once you click on the offer, you can see this is your affiliate link and you can see the warning right here. It is allowed in Canada. You can see this is your payout. This is the requirement. Verify with your PayPal. So that is what the people who live in Canada have to do to get access to the gift card, and you are going to be paid. They don't need to buy anything. So now once you have gotten your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this link so that you can get people who live in Canada to click on it and then enter their details so that you can get paid. To promote the offer, what we have to do is that we have to create an image so that we can use the image to promote the offer. So the next step is that you are going to come on Google and then search for back to school gift card. Once you search for it, select images so that you can find images of back to school gift cards. Once you search for it, you can see these are images of back to school gift cards that you can download. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of them that you want, you can click on it and then download it. You can see a whole lot of different back to school gift cards. As a school, you can see a lot of them. So just select the best that you want so that you can download it. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to select this image, but when you are using this method, don't select this image because it is going to be seen like a duplicate. So make sure you select a different image. This is the image that I'm going to be using. To download the image, right click on it. Once you right click on it, you are going to select save images. Once you click on save images, you are going to click on save and the image has been saved. Once the image is saved, you are going to come on Canva. Once you come on Canva, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, custom size. Once you click on custom size, you are going to enter the size of the image that you want. So let me go back to show you. So when you click on the image, you can get the right size of the image that you can create. When you click on it, you can see this is the size of the image. You are going to design the same image, 500 pixels by 375 pixels. Once you get the image size, you're going to come back, enter 500 pixels by 375 pixels. Once you get the right size of the image, click on create new. Once you click on create new, you are going to see a background like this. This is where you are going to upload your image. So you are going to click right here, uploads. Once you click on it, select upload files. Once you click on that, you are going to select your image, click on open, and you can see the image is uploading. You can see it right here. It is going to be uploaded. As you can see, the image has been uploaded. Click on it so that it can appear here. Once you click on it, right click on the image. Once you right click on it, we are going to select set image as background. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to get the offer image so that you can upload it and add it to your design. To get the image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA grip. Once you come back, put your pointer on the image of the offer and then right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save images. Once that is done, click on save, and you can see the image has been downloaded. Once you download the image, you are going to click here upload files. Once you click on it, you are going to select the offer image so that you can upload it onto Canva. You can see I've uploaded it. Once you upload it, click on the image so that it will appear here. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the image. Drag it this way. Once you drag it, you are going to expand it. So drag it this way and drag it upwards. Just drag it this. As you can see, that has been done. You can see that has been done. So let me drag it a little bit. As you can see, that has been done. We have designed a nice image. Once you design your image, you are going to click on share. Once you click on share, select download. Once that is done, leave it as PNG file. Once that is done, click on download so that the image can be downloaded. Once you download the image, the next step is that you are going to search for SweepGraph. Once you search for it, you are going to see the website right here, sweepgraph.com. Click on it. Once you click on it, the website is going to open like this. On this website, people give away things for free. You can see right here, win $2,000 flight club San Diego giveaway. This is a giveaway that someone has posted and is going to expire on October 31st, 2023. You can see another giveaway, win 1,000 grocery card plus pasta products. That is another giveaway. You can see many giveaways. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see many people giving away different things for free on this platform. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to also give away the back to school gift card on this website for free, so that we can get people to click on it, enter their details so that we can get paid, and they will also stand the chance of winning back to school gift card. You can see a whole lot of different giveaway, 1,000 YouTube studio giveaway, and many others. So we can also post it on this website to get the right people to click on our link and then enter their details so that we can get paid. To submit your offer on this platform, what you have to do is that you have to create an account. To create an account, you are going to click here, join. Once you click on join, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to enter your username. So enter your username. Once you enter your username, you are going to enter your email address. So paste it right here. Once you enter your email address, you are going to enter a password. Enter any password that you want. Once you enter your password, the next step is that you are going to click on it. I'm not a robot. Once you click on that, you are going to click on create an account. Once you click on create account, you are going to see a page like this. The account has been created. Congratulations on creating a SweepGraph account. Your account has been created. The next step is that you are going to post your offer here. To post the offer, you are going to click on submit. Once you click on submit, the next step is that you are going to enter the title of the offer. To get the title of the offer, you are going to come back on CPA grip. Once you come back, highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Once you copy it, you are going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see link to entering form. So you are going to paste your affiliate link here. So you have to come back on CPA grip. Once you come back, click here, copy link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back, paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see price value. You are going to enter the price right here. In this case, the price is $500, so enter it right here. Once you enter it, you can see category. You are going to select the category of the offer. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see auto, books, cash and gift cards. So our offer is a gift card. Click on that. Once you select that, the next step is that you are going to click on it and then select any end date that you want. In this case, we are going to enter 31st. Make sure you select a short date so that it will create a sense of urgency for people to click on your link. Once you select your end date, you are going to select the country where the offer is allowed. In this case, the offer is allowed in Canada, so select it. As you can see, it is allowed in Canada, so you have to select Canada. Once you select the country, the next step is that you are going to select the age limit. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to click on it, 13 plus. Once you select the country, the next step is that you are going to select the age limit. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select 13 plus. Once you select the age limit, the next step is that you are going to select the entry limit. How many times do you want a person to contest to win this giveaway? Click on it and then select any of these options. You can see single entry, daily entry, weekly entry, monthly entry, others. So any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select daily entry. Once that is done, you are going to enter the company name. In this case, you can enter your own name right here. Once you type your own name, the next step is that you are going to write a description of the price that people are going to get. So in this case, I have my description. You can see this is my description. Let me scroll upwards for you to see. You can see, join us for a chance to win big and make your back to school season even better. So that is it. You can see, click and win a $500 back to school gift card and the rest. So you have to write a simple description like this about the offer. Just write a simple description highlighting the things that they are likely to get when they click on your link. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see upload price image. This is where you are going to upload the image that you designed on Canva. So just click on it so that you can upload the image that you designed. Once you click on it, you are going to select your design, click on open. Once that is done, you can see this is the image. You can see it right here. Once you upload the image, you can see they have promotional options that you can select. They have about 30,000 verified subscribers. So if you want, you can pay for the premium version so that they can send your offer to all these 30,000 members. But in this case, we are not going to buy the premium version. We are going to use the free method. Once we earn the money, we can then buy the premium plan and then ask them to send the offer to only people who live in Canada. So that is what we are going to be doing. You have to use the free method. Once we earn the money, you can then use the paid method. Once you have entered all the details, the next step is that you are going to click right here, submit giveaway. Once you click on submit giveaway, you can see we received your submission. They have a lot of different promotional options that you can select, but your offer has been submitted. So if you want, you can select any of these promotions. They have 1 week promotion, 2 week promotion, 3 week promotion, and the rest. Any of them that you want, you can select. But in this case, we are not going to select any of them. You can see right here, we will be sure to review it and publish it within the next 24 to 48 hours. So within 24 to 48 hours, your offer is going to be live on the platform and you are going to be getting people who will click on it, complete their offers in Canada so that you can be paid on CPA Grip. Apart from making money on CPA Grip, you can also make money creating your own digital products. Digital info products, they are easy to create, and the best part is that you can sell them at any price that you want. I have written a book showing you step by step on how you can create your own digital info products and then sell them online. In this book, I showed you how you can get a niche, how you can create the product, and how you can get traffic to the product so that you can be getting people to buy the product for you to earn money. I have decided to reduce the price to $2.48. You can see this is the original price, $13.07. So you have to act fast so that you can get access to the book at $2.48. In the coming weeks, I'm going to increase the price, so make sure you take action now. To get access to the book, check at the description of this video. Once you check, you are going to see a link like this. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to be directed to a page like this. Click on download now. Once you click on it, you are going to enter your information so that you can get access to the book. So that is it for today's video. Make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money online as a complete beginner without any skills. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.